Lieutenant Colonel, there is evidence that was tendered before this court that Sergeant Mohane and Brigadier Gininda were investigating many cases against Mr. Bongani Ntanzi, and one of those many cases was a case which falls under Nongoma case 163/10 of 2018.
My Lord, I'll be like, I have no idea.
Kunobufakazi-ke obethuliwe phambi kwale nkantolo ukuthi-ke uBrigadier Gininda kanye naye-ke uSergeant Mohane banamacala amaningi ababewaphenya ngakuyena-ke uBongani Ntanzi. Elinye lawo-ke lawo macala lawo kwaku-163/10 2018. Ngosenkantolo ngizobe ngiqamba amanga, anginalwazi.
And it is your evidence that you were the police officer that was allocated as an investigating officer under Nongoma case 163/10 of 2018, and the name of Bongani Ntanzi was never a suspect under this case.
It never, my Lord.
Kubufakazi bakho-ke ukuthi wena-ke wayephenya-ke icala lelo lakwaNongoma 163/10 2018 nokuthi-ke uBongani Ntanzi kwakungasiyena umsolwa akaze ngosenkantolo abe uyena.
From your knowledge, whether from the docket that is in front of you or whether from the system that we are able to check the history of the docket, have you seen any information or any entry saying that this case was requested by the cold case unit in Pretoria to investigate it?
There is no such on the system. All what I know that they did arrive at Nongoma with the intention to get the docket. Only to find that the docket was with us, and it was a court going. That's why they called me to assist with the copies. I said the docket is with the prosecutor. I'm going to assist you by giving the number of the prosecutor. Talk to him and arrange how to get the copies. That was the end of the story by that time.
Ingabe-ke ulwazi lwakho-ke noma-ke kwi-system noma-ke kudokotela leli-ke onalo phambi kwakho ukuthi-ke ithimba-ke lasePretoria le-cold case leza-ke lizofuna-ke noma-ke lizocela lona-ke idokotela leli lalo lecala leli engikwaziyo mina ukuthi-ke kunesikhathi-ke la abafika khona-ke noma abaya khona kwaNongoma ilapho-ke ngathola khona-ke ucingo becela amakhophi-ke ngase ngisho-ke ukuthi-ke icala leli laseliphambi kwenkantolo nokuthi-ke idokotela likumshushisi engingakwenza ukuthi ngibanikeze-ke inamba yakhe umshushisi kwagcina lapho-ke angazile ukuthi kwenzekani-ke.
What I can highlight, my Lord, as far as I'm concerned, they did not do the homework, because if they did their homework, this system will go to show this docket of Nongoma is no longer 81 Nongoma. Is with Lieutenant Colonel Kumar, who is at PKDT. So they drove all the way to Nongoma to find that the docket is not there. But if they check it before they left Pretoria, it was going to be easy for them to communicate with me before even they drove down to KwaZulu-Natal. Unless if they were doing work in the side, I do understand.
Okusho-ke ukuthi abazange bawenzeke umsebenzi wabo-ke ngoba-ke uma kuwukuthi ngaphambi kokuthi-ke basuke-ke ePitori babebhekile-ke kuqala isystem yayizobatshela-ke ukuthi-ke idokotela leli-ke manje selikena-ke uLieutenant Colonel Khumalo osebenza-ke ngaphansi kwayo-ke iPKTT babengeke-ke basuke lana bahambe baye kwaNongoma-ke ngoba yayizobatshela-ke ngaphandleni kokuthi-ke babe nomsebenzi ababewenza ngale.
Okay, thank you, Lieutenant. When they called you regarding the Nongoma case 163/10 of 2018, the name of the suspect was not Mr. Bongani Ntanzi at the time when they called you.
That is correct, it was not Bongani.
Ngesikhathi ababexhumana nawe ngaso umsolwa noma igama lomsolwa kwangasiyena uBongani Ntanzi, yebo kuyiqiniso lokho.
And when the same docket was taken to the state advocate, Mr. Gaba, the name of the suspect was not Mr. Bongani Ntanzi.
It was not, it was Mr. Ptilis.
nangesikhathi-ke idokotela selindluliselwa kuyena-ke umshushisi umnumzane uCaba igama lomsolwa kwakungasiyena uBongani Ntanzi yebo kuyiqiniso lokho kwakuwumnumzane uButhelezi.
Is it also correct that you eventually received the docket back from Mr. Gaba?
That is correct. I received it back from Mr. Gaba.
Kuyiqinisoko ukuthi-ke wase kamuva-ke ulithola-ke noma libuyela kuwena-ke idokotela libuya kuyena umnumzane uCaba yebo kuyiqiniso.
Did it come back with the name of the suspect as Bongani Ntanza when it came back from the prosecutor now?
Coming back from prosecutor, it was still bearing the name of Mr. Teles, not Nance.
Uma selibuya-ke kuyena umshushisi umnumzane uCaba ingabe selibuya-ke manje linegama lomsolwa eliwuBongani Ntanzi cha lisabuya-ke linaleliya gama likamnumzane uButhelezi hhayi uNtanzi.
Okay. Do you know when that docket was closed?
By me,
No, it may not be
means finalized.
finalized, yes.
It was finalized on the 25th of March 2022.
Uma ngabe selivalwa-ke kuqedwa-ke ngalo idokotela kwakungeyi-25 zikaMarch 2022.
And what were the results
The,
that are endorsed outside in that docket? If you
the
can
accused
just,
was found guilty as charged.
Lapho-ke umsolwa walahlwa-ke amacala la ayiwathwesiwe.
and that person who was convicted under this case is Bongani Ntanzi?
No, under Mr. Teles.
Ingabe umuntu loyo-ke owalahlwa amacala-ke phansi kwayo le number lena-ke kwakumnumzane uNtanzi cha kwakuwuButhelezi.
You also testified that the two dockets were consolidated. The Nongoma case 163/10/2018 and Nongoma 410/12 of 2016.
This is correct, my lord.
Kushilo-ke ukuthi la madokoda amabili asehlanganiswa-ke uNongoma 163/10/2018 kanye noNongoma 410/12/2016 yebo kuyiqiniso lokho.
So it means when they were consolidated before trial.
That is correct, my lord.
Ngabe okusho ukuthi-ke uma kwenziwa lokho kwenziwa ngaphambi kokuqulwa kwecala yebo kuyiqiniso lokho ngosenkantolo.
When the Nongoma case 163/10/2018 was finalized, was also Nongoma 410/12/2016 finalized?
That is correct, my lord.
Uma ngabe sekuqedwa-ke ngecala leli-ke noma-ke sekuphothulwa-ke icala leli u-163/10/2018 kusho ukuthi-ke naleli-ke u-410/12/2016 nalo-ke laphothulwa yebo ngosenkantolo.
Do you know what were the results?
On the first one, 410.
410.
Yes, I do know.
Can you tell the court?
The first count, there were 11 counts in total, but the first count was life imprisonment.
Ngiyazi-ke nakuleli-ke u-410 ukuthi-ke imiphumela-ke yathini amaqala-ke lapho-ke ayithweswa wona-ke awu-11 kodwa-ke elokuqala-ke lona kwaba-ke udili kajele.
And the person who was convicted there, was it Bongani Ntanzi?
No, it was not Mr. Ntanzi, it was Mr. Teles.
Umuntu-ke lapho walahlwa-ke icala kwakungasiyena uBongani Ntanzi kwakuwumnumzane uButhelezi.
Okay. So it means both of them as they were consolidated, but they were also finalized.
That is correct, my lord.
Ngabe-ke kusho ukuthi omabili-ke nanjengoba ngaba ahlanganiswa-ke kodwa-ke kwagcina aqedwa-ke omabili yebo ngosenkantolo.
Okay. I've heard there is a notice of right that has been read in this court, and we have also been referred to the OB entry wherein Mr. Ntanzi was detained under Nongoma case 163/10 of 2018.
Yes, I saw that.
Ngizwile-ke lana-ke kunephepha-ke lamalungelo elifundiwe ikhona-ke ne-OB efundiwe-ke lana la umnumzane uNtanzi awayevalelwe khona-ke ngaphansi kwakhe 163/10/2018.
So it means Mr. Ntanzi was detained under the case that was not investigated by Mr. Mokhane.
That is correct.
Okusho oh sorry.
It was investigated by me, 163/10. I was the investigating officer.
Okusho ukuthi-ke lana-ke umnumzane uNtanzi wayevalelwe-ke ecala-ke elalingaphenywa uyena uMokhane yebo imina-ke umuntu wayephenya 163/10/2018.
But for me, that doesn't make sense. How would Mokhane know the case number? Are you with me?
I don't know.
Hello?
I don't know, my lord. Just tell
No,
the-
no, I'm just saying common sense tells me.
He-
Wait. Gininda was here. When we're dealing with confessions and what have you, one of the allegations was that this case involved the Buthelezi brothers. Do you remember that evidence?
Yes, my lord.
You remember?
Yes.
Take it from there. You'll see the pieces. So
Yes.
for me, with my experience, I'm sorry to brag. It's so surprised that there is a person called Buthelezi in Nongoma. When I followed the case, how it was unfolding, that there were two Buthelezis, and one was said to be in prison. And when the Gnidas went there, they found that that person is dead, etc., etc., etc. That's how you go about the investigation. So it's like these guys were chasing a non-existent human being. Peninda went to the airport, they went to Natal, etc., etc. So you can take it from there.
Yes, my lord, the problem is that here, the person is arrested and is detained on the case that does not exist. And then the court is asking me from where Mohane gets that case number. That's what we are trying to show the court, that
No, fine,
Mohane
yeah. No, you're
fabricated the evidence. my
You are
lord.
right, because you are busy with the case of not Ntanzi, of Senzo. You are busy with the case of Senzo. And the epithets of the so-called Buthelezi brothers, they emanate from that case, as far as I was following the evidence.
And
Or we can ask
And
the
my lord,
brothers.
the case that they referred this court to, it's a false case, it does not exist. That's
Okay,
what
fine.
we are trying
Okay,
to establish.
You've
with
heard
this
me. You've
witness.
heard me.
Yes.
You're fine.
That's what we are clarifying with this witness, my lord, to say that case that Mohane referred this court to, whether it's for Buthelezi and Buthelezi, it's a false case that
Oh.
does not exist.
Okay.
That's what this witness is telling this court.
You never said it's a false case.
It's a false case, it does not exist, my lord.
It may not be just registered. Just educate my brother here, my sister. Do you know whether it exists or not?
There's only one case that exists, is this one.
Registered.
Registered.
That's the
Yes.
word we should use.
Yes.
Not exist, because
Registered.
you can't vouch to the existence of that case.
I'm sorry, my lord. The case that's obviously only
That's
this.
language for you.
But the court the case cannot exist if it's not registered in the system of the SAPS, my lord.
Oh.
This one that Mohane referred to does not appear anywhere in the system of the
And
SAPS.
consequently doesn't exist.
It doesn't exist.
Fine.
Let's not be shy to say
No,
that.
fine.
Let's not protect the evidence, my lord.
I'm not, please.
It
Aye, please. Wait.
does not exist,
You know
my
what?
lord.
I'm 8 years old, okay?
Yes, my lord.
I'm older than your father.
Yes, my lord. Yes,
And
I
please treat me
understand.
with respect.
I'm
Okay,
treating with respect.
Fine.
But let's
Okay, just go on. Go
Let's
on.
speak the facts, my lord. This case that Mohane referred this court to does not exist. Whether it's difficult to swallow that, but it's the truth that exists in this case. When I ask for the adjournment, my lord, I cannot proceed under these circumstances. I've been distracted. I need to cool down myself.
Yeah, you can go out and cool down. I'm not getting it.
I can't proceed today, my lord.
No, fine. No problem.
Yeah.
When do you want us
I'll
to
proceed
adjourn
tomorrow. Yes.
Are you available, sir, tomorrow?
I'll try to make the arrangement with my principal
Hello?
because I'm going to arrange the arrangement with my principal because I was here for 1 day.
For 1 day only.
For 1 day only. I was not aware that it may be rolled over to tomorrow.
Okay. So what do we do?
But if the court needs me, then there's no way. I'm going to tell my principal that tomorrow I'm needed also. So I'm going to sleep over and then come back tomorrow.
Are you also going to work tomorrow?
I'm supposed to go to work, my lord.
Okay, let's adjourn until tomorrow.